adjacent definition, adjacent in a sentence, adjacent pronunciation, adjacent meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of adjacent. Adjacent. A-J-cent. Adjacent. Adjacent means next to. Common usages in academic writing: adjacent property, adjacent rooms, adjacent buildings. Example sentence: adjacent adjective. There was substantial pollution originating from the adjacent farms. Example sentence number 2: the school is adjacent to the football field. Please write a sentence using adjacent in the comments. I will read it and reply. Now you can use adjacent confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.